अ, हेलो दोस्तों। आज मैं सोनू निगम की एक बेहतरीन बेहतरीन मूर्ति बनाने जा रहा हूँ। सोनू निगम भारतीय संगीतज्ञ हैं, बहुत अच्छे-अच्छे गाने गा रहे हैं। तो मैं आज उनका एक मूर्ति बनाता हूँ। अगर ये मूर्ति आपको अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट कर लीजिए वीडियो के नीचे और मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए अगर नहीं किए होंगे। बेल आइकन भी दबा दीजिए जिससे कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो आप देख सकते हैं और आगे और अच्छा बेहतरीन वीडियो आप देख सकते हैं, मूर्तियाँ देख सकते हैं। पिछले वाला जितना मूर्ति हम बनाए अगर आप देख चुके हैं तो उसके बारे में कमेंट भी कीजिए। थैंक यू। This piece just I make today about Sonu Nigam, an Indian musician and singer. So I want to try to make perfection about his face, and according to the photo, just I matching all the parts of this face. Sonu Nigam sir, just I talk a story about Sonu Nigam. Sonu Nigam is an Indian singer, music director, and actor. He sings predominantly in Hindi and Kannada language films, but has also sung in Odia, Bengali, Gujarati, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Nepali, Malayalam, Tulu, and other Indian language also. He sang excellent in voice. I remember about my childhood that I am Odia, and so Odia song he sing like to agare kichi dhupa mo agare kichi dhupa. This song is so highlighted at that time. I think in 1992-93 at that time. This song was so popular in Odisha. I remember till today. So his sweet voice is very excellent and very amazing. His tone. Sonu Nigam sir was an singer of sweet tone. He was born on 30 July 1973 to Agam Kumar Nigam and Shobha Nigam in the city of Faridabad, Haryana. So he is from Haryana. His father was from Agra and his mother was from Garhwal. His sister Tisha Nigam is also a professional singer. Nigam began singing at the age of 4 when he joined his father Agam Kumar Nigam on stage to sing Mohammad Rafi's song Kya Hua Tera Wada. Sonu Nigam began accompanying his father on his singing appearances at weddings and parties. He moved to Mumbai with his father to begin his Bollywood singing career at the age of 19. He was trained by Hindustani classical singer Ustad Ghulam Mustafa Khan. He married Madhurima Mishra on 15 February 2002. They have a son named Nivan. Nigam had changed his name to Sonu Nigam, citing numerology beliefs, but later decided to go back to his birth name. He has recorded romantic, rock, devotional, ghazal, and patriotic song also. He has a song in Hindi, Odia, Bengali, English, Gujarati, Kannada, Marathi, Mithili, Bhojpuri, Malayalam, Manipuri, Nepali, Tamil, Telugu, etc. language till today. Sonu Nigam has released pop albums in Hindi, Kannada, Odia, Chhattisgarhi and Punjabi as well as Hindu and Islamic devotional albums. He has released several Buddhist albums. Nigam has performed in countries in North America, Europe, Middle East, Africa, Asia, Australia, etc. In May-June 2007, he participated in the incredible tours with Asa Bhosle, Kunal Ganjwala, and Kailash Kher. From September-October of the same year, he gave solo concert titled simply Sonu in Canada and Germany, becoming the first Indian singer to do so. In April 2008, he toured India promoting his Punjabi single A Punjabi Play. Sonu Nigam provided playback singing for Hindi movies, including the title song for the films Kal Ho Na Ho in 2003, Abhi Mujh Mein Kahin for Agnipath in 2012. However, from the past few years, he has becoming selective about his songs so that he can focus more on creative works. His upcoming project with Bikram Ghosh named Bollywood Retro is one such project. Nigam has released albums of Mohammad Rafi's songs, including Rafi Ki Yaadein, a collection early in his career, which was released in Rafi's memory in September 2007 as a 6-disc collection of 100 songs titled Kal Aaj Aur Kal. In 2008, soon after releasing Classically Milled, he released a single Punjabi track entitled Punjabi Plays, and Rafi resurrected a 2-disc collection of Rafi songs with music by the Birmingham Symphony's Orchestra. He contributed to the lyrics of several songs and directed the music for his album Chanda Ki Doli. Sonu Nigam is one of the most popular playback singers in Bollywood and is widely considered to have inspired new singers in the Bollywood industry. He is often compared to Mohammad Rafi for similar voice texture. Among the old generation of singers, Lata Mangeshkar considered him a good singer. Sonu Nigam is the winner of several awards including National Award, Filmfare Awards in Hindi, Filmfare Awards South. He has received 16 nominations for Filmfare Best Playback Singers and record winners of 4 times for IFAA Award for Best Male Playback Singer. 1997 Zee Cine Award, 1998 Screen Award, 2001 Zee Cine Award, 2001 IFA Best Male Playback Awards, 2001 Star Screen Awards, 2001 International Viewers Choice Award for NTV India, 2002 IFA Best Male Playback Awards, 2002 Zee Cine Award for Best Playback Singing. So many awards he wins in his sweet tones. So obviously he is a good singer already. So this was a small story about Sonu Nigam sir. Just I remember in my childhood that he sing a very good song in Odia also. So I listening from phonograms just from in my village. I listening this sweet tones of musics. तो अगर किछि धूप मो अगर किछि धूप this type of song just I listening again and again in my childhood. I remember it very short tones. Okay, now this face I make already according to the photo, smiling position of lips, nose, I see eye two eye positions in very particularly very correct according to the photos, according to the pictures. Lips maybe something mismatches, and smiling position of the cheeks is very shining and very accurately just I make it. In photo, hairstyle was something different, but lack of the choices, so I made this type of hairstyles. Eyelids just in middle position is something carved towards the right side positions for both side, and the neck position already tie binding in the position of the tie fitting and the bottom portion of the face. So actually this position should be just standable in a long position, but according to the tie and the suits, so it is something different in except photos. So my dear friends, if this video, this face, this is culture you like, please comment and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.